na mang'ana iguru ya matemo manene a KCSE yo mwaka ita nyarka bagacoka rituko ria rero nigo igati yechi principal kurwa gose abarimu abanene abariti principal kurwa cukuru banyaka bagwecokia na gukwanira chingenjo banyatoka bagakore amatemo ayo muna tukurigira sembe.
We were able to get one A plane, 74 A minus, 188 B plus, 300 Bs, 161 B minus, C plus 32, C plane 4, and C minus 1. We managed a mean of 9.1235. Which is an improvement of the from the previous mean of the year 2024 of 9.099. So there is a slight improvement, and we are really very happy.
The 2025 KCSE exams. Unfortunately, we didn't record any of the A's. We didn't record also a B plus, but we started with 31 students getting a grade B plane, and then we had 122 students getting a grade B minus. We also had 62 students getting a grade C plane. We had 14 students getting a 62 getting C plus, and then we had 14 getting C plane, and then we had the last students were 2 students who got grade C minus. Now that translates to 215 students who have gotten a mean grade C plus and above. That translates to 93% transition. Now this has come down from last year. Last year we started with a grade A minus, 5 of them. Then we also had a couple of B pluses. We were very hopeful that we were going to get grade A's, but unfortunately that was not to be. But still we want to say this is a very strong performance for such a school, because this is basically a C4 school with a 93% transition, and I think we are contributing positively to the growth of our universities, because we take a lot of students to university. Taking 215 students to university is no mean feat out of 231. So out of the total registration of the students in this school, only 16 students are not going to university.
Mwaka oeta 2025 etobata bana 236 out of bana 236 abana 219 representing 92.8% Panyola C plus and above. Project A minus is a top, B plus 24, B 55, B minus 77, C plus 60, C 16, and one candidate Onyora C minus. It's the first time in history of this school to get an A minus. In 2024, our mean was 6.9, meaning we had a division of 1.123. We get a school ya Musula na nyote na tumi kwa jabuno mwalimu mwana school ya Mokubo. Na nyote nga SMN ya watu kwa nuko wa segeta abana.
Kwa abana zaidi ya 150 hapo waende university. Naende na wao watabaona sana no mye kiaga abana 15 na batara university. Bana batoka kwa msambi yamana asara abagoli abana babo baitwa balende kale babo cyane bagende register nande bagende Kenya so simbiya tole ntose banyasa atobonye bagende ko improve